This is the news leader, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Welcome back. Enhancing your fertility through acupuncture. It's a unique treatment that is really getting results. And with us this morning is Lara Rosenthal, a licensed acupuncturist and Chinese herbologist in downtown Manhattan. She's here to tell us all about it. Hi, Lara.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Thanks for coming in. So why do people turn to acupuncture for fertility?
I think people turn to it because I think a lot of people see it as being just a very natural way to enhance fertility. And it's also, you're using the body's own energy. And so you're not adding any drugs or anything else into the system.
How does it work? I mean, people know that acupuncture has to do with teeny tiny little needles.
Right.
Does it hurt? And how many go into the body all over your, does it go all over your body, or where are you targeting?
Okay, let me start with
does it
how
hurt?
It works. Does it hurt? Okay, most people feel like they're surprised that they feel so little.
Okay.
It could feel like tweezing a hair or something like that. And you put the needles, it's all different places, the lower arms, lower legs, abdomen, sometimes the back.
Right.
And it works because in Chinese medicine we're talking about using acupuncture to move energy and blood through the system. So we know that, for example, studies have shown that acupuncture really helps to improve blood flow through the reproductive organs. It also helps to calm the nervous system and help people relax. And there have been some early studies that show it really helps to regulate hormone levels, all of which are tremendously important for enhancing fertility.
What was the best case scenario that you have ever seen? I mean, has somebody come to you and had years of not being able to get pregnant?
I've had patients. I had one patient who was trying for 7 years before she came to see me, and she got pregnant and has a beautiful baby now.
How fast did she get pregnant?
It took I think about 5 months of acupuncture.
5 months of
and that's like going once a week.
Once a week. So how much would that cost? Maybe $2,000?
Well, it's figure about 20 sessions. So yeah, about $100 a session, something around that.
Wow, amazing. Now, so is that why it works? Blood flow and pressure points, and why does it work?
Well, as I said, it's about enhancing the blood flow. When you help people relax, that also really has a tremendous effect on fertility. And there have been some studies that have shown that acupuncture also it's been looked at in conjunction with things like in vitro fertilization or IVF. And
so use it with that.
You can use it together with some of these other medical treatments, and those studies have shown that it really tremendously boosts the pregnancy rate. And also in women that don't ovulate, there's certain problems, and acupuncture can really help some of those women to ovulate.
Wow.
And then get pregnant, yeah.
How long do these sessions take? Is it an hour, half an hour, 20 minutes?
The first session is longer, maybe it varies, maybe an hour to an hour and a half. And then typically afterwards, something like between 30 minutes and an hour.
And there are also some other tips that you had regarding fertility that you can do yourself.
Yeah, important things that you should be doing at home is if you're a woman, you should really be go get an ovulation predictor kit and know when you're fertile, because the window is very, very short.
3 days.
People don't realize that. And for men, they should know that sperm are very temperature sensitive, so no jacuzzis and saunas if you're trying to get pregnant.
Right.
And also be careful with chemicals for sperm, like no smoking, tobacco, or illegal drugs, and you should check with your doctor about prescription medications because some of those can really damage sperm as well.
Well, I hope that you helped some people this morning. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
And you can log on to our website for more tips. You just go up to the upper right-hand side and click on As Seen on Television, and we will direct you to weekend morning interviews and tips. Thanks a lot. We're coming right back, but first...